Dear students, we have completed two sessions on the poem called The Homecoming Sun. So now here you will have a critical appreciation of the poem and discussion on the theme of the poem. So now you look at the second slide. Critical analysis of the poem. Here in the first point, the poet calls back the sun to his homeland. As you know that the objective of the poem is to give a call to return to their own native land. And in the next point, the poet calls them as the unholy strangers, a lost child in his own land. The person who leaves his native land and who stays in a foreign land is nothing but an unholy stranger, according to the poet. He is like a lost child in his own land. In the next point, the poet wishes the sun to be a part of native culture. And in the next point, the poet asks him to walk freely, peacefully, and proudly for his walking in his own land. So one should have the feeling of native land by having natural feeling for their homeland. And in the next point, the poet says, his ancestral spirits will guide and the native land will soothe his worn out bare feet. That soothing is always there. The motherland is like a mother who always soothes its own child. And if you look at the continuation of the thematic element or the critical appreciation of this poem, here the poet says, the spirits welcome their last son return. That is the need of the hour. Everybody is waiting for their last son to return to their own land. The land, the country is like a home, according to the poet. The poet reminds the man not to forget where his roots are. He always says that for everyone, the roots are very important and one should not forget the roots, where he has come from and what is the uniqueness of his roots. In the next point, the poet wishes him to be part of the native land's culture in his flesh and blood. Students, you just see the deep feeling what the poet shares here. See, the love of your land, the love of your culture should be in your flesh and blood. And in the next point, the poet says, let the roots of the motherland care as his body. The motherland should soothe the young generations. Let his naked skin absorb the home sun and shiny ebony. Here he gives a call for the young generation to observe the greatness of their own culture and they should not forget wherever they go and wherever they stay. The poem portrays the glorious heritage, rich culture, and pride of being black in the place called home. Home is a place where everybody likes to live, have fun, and have life. So one's country is something like one's own home. So the poet here, especially regarding the Ethiopian culture or the Ethiopian land, the poet says one should not forget the Ethiopian culture being the part of Ethiopian land. Thank you.